Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange. So the project I worked on is a UVPS or UV process compact radiometer. This is used on UV conveyors to measure the light output of the lamps. So as your lamps get older, they will not cure as well. So you throw one of these on the conveyor and it will measure the light on it. This was a very expensive unit back in the day, maybe 2,500, 3,500. And it was meant to be sent to UV process to either be recalibrated or put in a new lithium battery. And these lithium batteries are soldered into the board. They do last a long time. This was a lithium LTC 7PN keeper. So the trick on this one was trying to figure out how to take this decal that was put on a piece of aluminum and finding all the holes. And I finally found that there were 4 holes that were blind. And after that, there are 4 more holes over here, and this was glued on the edges. I'm going to use this for consulting, or maybe I'll sell it to a customer. But here is the soldered in lithium battery, and turns on, and I'll test it later this week and do a video of it. So yeah, I'm good at soldering stuff in and fixing things, and it's kind of fun and rewarding. So if you need repairs on your equipment, I can do it via Zoom or on site, and let me know. Go to my site. You can list stuff for free, your equipment for free, or I can broker it for you. Go to www.screenprintexchange.com. Thank you. Bye.